Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. Two watches actually in this box. One is from CIGA Design, and the other one is from, I think it's SOVRYGN. Both of these watches are in on loan here in tour, so spend a little bit of time with them and then ship them off to the next person in line here. This one watch is from, okay, that's the CIGA Design. This other watch here, lent over by SOVRYGN. So Rock the Watch and Winding Crowns. I'll leave a link to both of their channels. Go check them out. Appreciate them sharing this watch with me. So let's open this one first. So this is a prototype, and there are some changes coming. They contacted me through Instagram, so I'll talk about all those in the full presentation. I don't have that memorized at the moment. It looks like PVD coated rose gold type color with I would assume it's a leather strap that looks like crocodile. So let's zoom in on this. It's an interesting color combination, the brown with this rose gold color. Yeah, so yeah, stainless steel. It's PVD coated, I would assume. Okay, let's get this watch out of the box. Looks like a buckle and tang for that strap there, I would assume. Oh yeah, this is pretty cool looking. Oh, that's a nice little pouch here. It snaps in from the sides. Feels pretty heavy too. So it looks to be a quartz okay. I thought it was a chronograph, but that must be the center seconds. Yeah, I didn't really research this too much. Oh. Okay, it's not a quartz, it's a Miyota. Looks like a Miyota 9015 perhaps? I'm not sure how they have these other complications on here. I could be totally wrong about that movement. Just going off my first impressions here. Yeah, this is a Miyota 9100. So I'll have to do a little bit more research, and we'll figure out what movement is in there. And when I was pushing this, it looks like it changed the month. Interesting. Quite a few complications on this. So it looks to be power reserve, month, day, date, and then must be a 24-hour indicator there. And then it says 100 meter for 100 meter water resistance. Nice textured dial as well. Applied indices. So yeah, cool looking watch. Kind of a H-link style bracelet here. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Very neat. Butterfly clasp. Not really a fan of butterfly clasp, but they do look a little nicer. And then that logo kind of just nests in there, so it's a neat touch. So let me throw this on wrist real quick, and then we'll go to the other watch, this watch right here. And then signed on the side here. Actually, let's see, are these screw or push pin? Push pin. That looks like a screw head though. See, that throws me off. It has an arrow on here pointing in this direction. There you can see the arrows pointing down, but those look like screw heads. So definitely we'll try out the screwdriver first. Yeah. See what I did there? I closed this one first. You gotta close this side first. Added complication to the added complication of a butterfly clasp. Anyway, there we go. Probably not my color choice, but it looks neat. So looking forward to spending a little bit of time with this watch. Now let's go to the next one. Let's see if I can slide it off. Yep, look at that. Okay, let's check out the CIGA Design. Oh, is that just a book? Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Seems like it's just a book, but that doesn't make any sense. Now that's kind of tricky. So it looks like Joe had this watch over at Wet Watches. So two-piece NATO strap, or a two-piece nylon strap, and then we have a, feels like FKM rubber, but man, that thing is, I've never seen a rubber strap like this before. Very interesting. It feels kind of weird, but the watch looks weird, so I guess it all fits. Yeah, so I think you're supposed to be able to see the watch through there. Yeah, that is a crazy watch. Actually two kind of crazy watches here in this unboxing. Probably not either of them, not really anything I would necessarily buy for myself, but cool to check them out. This feels real lightweight, so I'm assuming perhaps it's titanium. Very interesting. Now, let me throw this on wrist real quick. I'm sure it will look quite large on my wrist. Let's see, this one will go at the top. It's pretty wide strap too, perhaps 24 millimeter. Very interesting looking. Not very easy to tell the time with it. So just a push-pull crown. Oh yeah, so there's there's no indices really, right? So I'm assuming that's 1010 maybe. So how in the world? Okay, there we go. All right, so there it is on my 6.5 inch wrist. Just trying to see how I would tell the time with this. Yeah. So anyway, there we go. Let me know what you think of this watch and also the other watch. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out and I really appreciate it. Like the video and leave a comment below. As always, thank you for taking the time and thank you for watching.